2017 Lexus RX 300. As one of the first entries in the crossover luxury SUV segment, the Lexus RX 300 provides a high seating position, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo capacity, along with great fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cold weather package, heated front seats, power moonroof, leather seats, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.